Okay, here we are taking the brace out, and we're going to scoot down the bench somewhat so we could probably have easier access. So again, it's just trial and error when you're doing these things and you're flying by the seat of your pants and being creative. So this is how things get perfection or perfected. See, even speaking needs perfection. So he is going to move that back so it's not in our way as far as getting into the bench. And then he's going to scoot the bench down, flush to the wall, so that we also have some extra room to enter into our office slash dining area, if you will. So we'll come back in a minute and we'll show you the next section of change and see how that works, and then we'll figure out which is better. Just undoing a couple of screws, about 8 of them. You push it back, you try it out, trial and error. I forgot to add that the difference is 14 inches. So we're going to scoot it almost flush to the wall. Not quite, because it doesn't, there's some reason he told me. And if you're trying to do this, I'll get the specifics later, but something about, oh, that wall brace, see right there, the wall brace at the end of the wall. So that's why I can't make it flush, I think. I'm not really sure. So this is my first video. That's another thing we're trying. We are taking off the top of the bench because I feel like it hinders your ability to go back as far. And again, probably just 3-4 inches of space, but hey, in a tiny area it can make all the difference. So we will give you a report card and a review once he's done. I don't think I mentioned that Greg stapled his finger all the way through today. So look at those hot dad pants from 1990 something.
And still lasting.
Still lasting.
And by the way, the blue tape is great when you have like a minor mishap, and forget that you're never supposed to put your hand on the other side of where the nail gun goes, right through the finger. But blue tape solves everything. It can slow me down a bit.
Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so we're back with an update. So as you can see, we took out the brace. It was way too close to the bench. We moved it back quite a ways. I would say about 2/3 of the way maybe. As you can see there, maybe half the way from where it was. And then we pushed this back. So this is not coming out farther from the wall. And it's about 2 inches or 3 inches from the wall still on the other side. And then we have a curtain that we use that's not up because we're working, that will close this area off and make it privacy. So that's what it's going to be. We're going to go get the wood that's going to go on top. And again, the wood is as wide as it is because we want to be able to nap, have a book nook, whatever there. So we will also put the cushions that go to the bunkhouse on top of that when we're not eating dinner or eating any meal, and using it for an office. So it'll have some dual purpose there. So now it's an office dining area slash a book nook, nap nook. Say that 3 times fast. So that's where we're at. We're going to surprise y'all with the top. We're not sure what we're going to do yet, but we've got about 5 options that we'll share with you later. And I'm going to go take a break because I'm running out of breath talking so much.